झारखंडच्या जमशेदपूर स्टेडियमाचेर खेळपा खातीर बरी परिस्थिती नाशिल्ल्यान फुटबॉल क्लब बेजार आसात। क्लबांनी फेडरेशन कप आयोजक अखिल भारतीय फुटबॉल महासंघाचेर टिका केल्या। उटंगराच्या पावसाक लागून ही परिस्थिती निर्माण जाल्या आनी आयोजकांची तातूंत कसलीच चूक ना अशें आयोजक AIFF चे म्हणणे।
ही सर्त आयोजित केल्ल्या फुटबॉल पिचीची खूपच वायट परिस्थिती आसा। डेम्पो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाकच न्ही तर हेर सगळ्या फुटबॉल पंगडांक हो अणभव आयला अशें आर्मांद कुलासो म्हणटा।
Although we didn't play any practice matches or club competitive matches, but by coming here to Jamshedpur, all our explorations of it is turned into nothing. The ground is in awful, pitiable, unplaying condition. No football can be played on this ground, not only Dempo. None of the teams which are here can play football. So I don't know what's really going to happen.
This is the case. AIFF, instead of organizing better, looks like they're going backwards in organization.
I think I feel that way because Federation Cup is one of the prestigious tournaments of India, where one of the winners goes to the AFC Cup. So organizing for the sake of organizing does not improve football in any way. It's really a pigsty better than the football pitches which are here. So I'm really sorry to say the Federation has not organized this tournament in a proper way.
हाचेर प्रुडंटान अखिल भारतीय फुटबॉल महासंघाचे सरचिटणीस कुशाल दासाची प्रतिक्रिया घेतली। ताणे क्लबांचेर टिका केल्या।
There is nothing we can do about the weather. The grounds are not good because it's been raining consistently and heavily in Jamshedpur. Unfortunately, there is nothing we can do about that. If the match commissioner says it is completely unplayable, we'll cancel that match.
Okay. And sometime back, even before the tournament started, there were some issues with the clubs regarding the shift of venue.
Look, I think when the clubs speak like that, they probably do not realize or they do not want to understand the reality of India.
Right.
India, the infrastructure in India is simple. When we tried to bring it to Ranchi because the stadium had floodlights, it was great. The ground we thought could be repaired. Termites which had got into the ground.
Okay.
And therefore we had to shift the venue. I mean, when people talk about such things, they should realize the reality of the situation. I mean, we are in a country where it is impossible to get good infrastructure. And there's hardly any good infrastructure. The Saudi Stadium, the lights are off. Goa Stadium, and anyway, Goa did not want to host the Federation Cup.
Right, sir.
There are very few stadiums which are available.
फेडरेशन कप सर्तीन गोयच्या क्लबांनी आतां मेरेन बरो खेळ केला। चडशा फुटबॉल मैदानांची स्थिती वायट आसा, ताका लागून AIFF कडे हेर पर्याय नाशिल्लो अशें कुशाल दास म्हणटा। पूण पुणेच्या बाल्लेवाडी वा कॉर्पोरेट स्टेडियम वा हेर स्टेडियम AIFFन मतीन घेवपाक जाय आसलो। सर्तीचेर बहिष्कार घालपाचो क्लबांचो विचार चल्ला। तांचो हो निर्णय तसो पळोवंक गेल्यार योग्य। ह्या सर्तीच्या सेमी फायनली सावन दूरदर्शन मॅचींचे प्रक्षेपण करतली। खेळा खबराकार निखिल परेरा, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर।
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो। इतल्यान हे खबराचेर हांगा सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया। नमस्कार।